According to yoga philosophy, the second niyama is Santosha, which means contentment. It means mastering the art of feeling at peace and content with yourself and your place in life as you are right now. So I'm going to show you a short practice with one pose, one mudra, and one mantra to cultivate Santosha. Please subscribe to my channel and we'll get started. So when you're ready, make your way to a comfortable seated position. Draw your knees into your chest, take a big breath in, breathe out, slowly roll all the way down until you're lying flat. Keep your shoulders back and down. We're going to transition to bridge pose. We're going to practice the feeling state of being content in our bridge pose. So don't feel like your hips have to be really high. Just enjoy feeling at home and content in your body. Your bridge pose doesn't have to look exactly like mine. Just get to a point where you feel content with it, where you feel a nice gentle stretch in the front of the heart. And we're going to make the mudra Jnana mudra. It's simply taking your index fingers and tucking them underneath your thumbs. So make this mudra on your mat. Plant your feet hip width apart. Your feet should be straight. Press into all four corners of your feet. Now keep your head straight, your chin lifted. Inhale, start tilting the tailbone upward, lifting the hips higher and higher until you feel content. Opening through the chest, opening through the heart space. And I invite you to chant the mantra, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. This mantra means peace. You're welcome to think it to yourself or chant it out loud 3 more times. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, slowly lower your hips all the way down. Take a deep inhale, draw your knees into your chest, wrap your arms around your shins, give yourself a great big hug. And I invite you to close your eyes here, maybe do some gentle swaying side to side. And with your arms wrapped around your shins, feel worthy of a self-soothing, self-caring hug. Yoga helps remind us we can't always be the best version of ourselves for others if we don't practice self-care first. So feel worthy of a self-caring hug. And I invite you to feel content and at home in your body, just the way you are. Take a deep breath in, a long breath out. Deep breath in. Exhale, gently roll to one side of your body and take your time, press yourself up to a comfortable seated position. I hope you enjoyed practice. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me. I hope you feel good. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Type a message below. I'd be happy to help you with anything. And I'd love to hear how you're incorporating Santosha, contentment, in your life and on your mat. So feel free to share in the comment section. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.